Okay, let me give you guys some practice now. I will do the first one and then you guys can do the ones after. So here, draw the number line to represent this statement here. So here you've got x being greater or equal to minus 32 and also x being less than or equal to 18. So draw the number line to represent this whole thing here. So to do this here, just quickly sketch your number line here. Zeros here. I'm just going to guess minus 32 to be around here. So from here to here, it has a length of 32. So 18, I'm going to guess from here to here. Okay, so 18 here. So here, well, x, if you just look at this bit here only, x being greater than, x being greater or equal to minus 32. So that includes the number 32. Minus 32 in here, and then well, all the x greater than minus 32 will be all these. Okay, but then on this side here, you've got x being less than or equal to 18. So, and you all have to put 18 into here. You can put 18 into here because 18 is equal to 18, because this statement here is saying less than or equal to. So you are allowed to put 18 in here. So you would use a black circle here to represent including. If 18 is not allowed to be in there, then you have to use a white circle. Basically, when you see this whole statement here, it's this. It's all the values in between minus 32 and 18. Okay, so your number line would look something like this. Okay, so now it's your turn. So here, given this statement here, draw the number line to represent this. So start by doing something like this. 0 here. Draw your critical points in here, like minus 8 here. If from here to here is minus 8, what blah blah blah, where's 2? So anyway, press pause and have a go. Okay, so here, draw your number line. 0 here, minus 8 here. Minus 8 here, and then 2. Well, if from here to here is 8, then 2 must be around here. It's just guesswork. So here, well, you all have to put, this is less, well, x is greater or equal to 8 or equal to. So it does include the minus 8, and this here also includes the 2 up here. So when you see this statement here, it's basically all the values in between well, all these values here. You can choose any in between. Okay, so now this one here. So start by roughly sketching your line. Well, anyway, do whatever you have to do. Press pause and have a go. Okay, so this one here. Oh, this is strictly greater than minus 6. So it has to be greater. It cannot be. You cannot have minus 6. Because it's saying has to be greater than, strictly greater. Okay, so your minus 6 is here, and I'm going to use a white circle here. And then where's 10? Well, if from here to here is 6, then my 10 is probably somewhere over here. It's just guesswork here. So, well, on the 10 side, this you can have. Well, this is saying less than or equal to, So you are allowed to include the 10 in here. So your diagram will look something like this. Okay, so this statement here is saying everything in between. Well, the here you can see it for yourself. Okay, so next one here. So start by drawing your number line here. Well, anyway, 0's here. Press pause and have a go. Okay, I'm going to guess minus 9 to be here. Minus 3 is going to be around here, and this is saying strictly greater than 9. So it's strictly greater than minus 9. So my minus 9 cannot go in here. Okay, and here strictly less than minus 3. It cannot be minus 3 because it's strictly. It can well, I've got to use a white circle here. So your diagram will look like this. Okay, so it's all the values in between here. Okay, yeah, so your diagram should look like this. Okay, next one. Okay, so start with your number line here. 0 here. Well, press pause and have a go. Okay, so this one here, -1, 1 here, +1 here, and this is uh, greater than or equal to. So I'm allowed to have -1 in here. On this side here, it's well, first it was like this. Now looking at this here, it would be x strictly less than 1. So strictly less than 1, it should be there. So your number line should look like this. Okay, next one here. So 0 here. So press pause and have a go. Okay, so it has to be greater than 87. I'm going to say 87 to be around here. By the way, you don't have to go all the way. Well, if you look at this here, 87 is around here. So 99, I'm going to guess around here. Okay, 99. So this is strictly greater than. So it has to be this, and this is strictly less than 99. So it has to be this here. So your line would be like that. Okay. Well, you don't have to draw your scale. So it's like this: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You can just jump to. Well, you can just draw your scale to be. Well, it can be 88, 87 here. So 99 can be around here. It doesn't have to be perfect. It's just a rough drawing. Okay. So next one here. Okay, 0's here. Press pause and have a go. Okay, this one, I'm just going to say 100 to be around here. Greater than or equal to 0. So I am allowed to put 0 into here, into the x, and it still makes sense because it's saying greater than or equal to 0, and then the other part is less than or equal to 100. So the diagram will look like this. Okay, so this is your answer, and last one here. X being greater or equal to -3. So draw your number line here. Press pause and have a go. Okay, so here this one here, -3 is here. Greater or equal to. So I am allowed to put the -3 into here, and then well, this one here goes on forever. You can go to infinity. Okay, don't worry about this infinity thing too much. It's just a concept. It's saying something really far away or really big. It has a lot of meanings. This infinity thing, but basically it's not a number. It's just a concept of well, you're going to infinity. You're going well, you're going on forever and ever and ever. Don't worry about this infinity too much. Okay. And by the way, this thing here, this statement here, I am allowed to write this as well. X is hang on. I am allowed to write something like this. X is greater than -3. This is the same thing. Okay. So me writing this is the same as me doing this. -3, because if you look at this bit here, if you look at x and then you look at this here, it's saying greater than. X is greater than. So here, the bottom statement here, you look at this, x is greater than whatever. So it doesn't matter if you write it like this, -3, or if you write it like this. It's the same thing. Okay.